Naig pa ni Pastor Quiboloy ang 10 utos ng Diyos. Sige, pupunta ako sa hearing, pero sa 17 kondisyon. Hindi kami para utusan mo. Number 1, unmask and show the full faces of your witnesses. No mask, no dark eyeglasses, no caps, bonnets, or head covering of any kind. Ang kanyang number 8 na condition, I retain the right to personally cross-examine your witnesses. That includes you, Madam Chair. No time limit. All expenses incurred from this trip, yung kanya raw pagpunta rito na including private jet flight, back and forth, with parking in NAIA, food according to my dietary requirements, and fees for accommodation in a 5-star hotel for me and my party must be shouldered by your office. So, wow! Will not mock the system of checks and balances during our watch.